Game of Thrones spent 8 years building one villain, a villain older than every kingdom, older than every war, a villain who didn't talk, didn't bargain, didn't care. The Night King wasn't just another enemy, he was supposed to be the final threat to humanity itself. So, why did the most terrifying villain in Game of Thrones die in just one episode? Today, we are talking about how the Night King became the biggest wasted villain in TV history. From the very first scene of episode 1, Game of Thrones told us the real war wasn't about the Iron Throne, it was about the long night. While kings fought over power, the White Walkers were silently growing stronger. Every season gave us more mystery. Who created the Night King? What did he want? Why was he targeting Bran? What happens when winter finally arrives? He didn't need dialogue. His silence made him terrifying. Hardom, the rising of the dead, the dragon Viserion turning blue. Every moment screamed one thing: this is the real final boss. Fans believed the ending of Game of Thrones would be the war of the living versus the dead. But then season 8 happened. By the time season 8 arrived, the Night King felt unstoppable. He had an undead dragon, an infinite army, superhuman strength, thousands of years of experience. This wasn't just a villain, this was an apocalypse. The show spent 70 plus episodes telling us when the Night King arrives, everything else won't matter. Not the throne, not politics, not Cersei. Only survival. Fans expected a season long war, a desperate fight across Westeros, major cities falling, heroes dying trying to stop him. But instead, the war ended in one night. The Battle of Winterfell was supposed to be the biggest moment in the entire series, and visually, it was epic. But storytelling wise, this is where everything collapsed. The Night King reaches Bran, rises the dead, and then suddenly Arya jumps out of nowhere and kills him in seconds. No conversation, no explanation, no backstory revealed, no final confrontation with Jon Snow. After 8 seasons of build up, the Night King never even fights the main hero. Imagine building Thanos for 10 years and then ending the story in 5 minutes. That's what it felt like. The biggest mystery in the show ended with zero answers. The Night King could have been legendary. Imagine if he spoke to Bran. We learned his true motive. Winter spread across Westeros. The final season focused entirely on the long night. Instead, after episode 3, the White Walkers are never mentioned again, and the show goes back to politics. The biggest threat in history became a side quest, and that's why fans felt betrayed because the story promised one ending and delivered something completely different. The Night King wasn't a bad villain, he was a perfect villain with a rushed ending. 8 seasons of mystery destroyed in one episode. And that's why many fans still believe Game of Thrones didn't fail because of the ending. It failed because it forgot its real story. Friends, if you love Game of Thrones analysis and theories, subscribe now because more epic breakdowns coming every week.